Dear students, in the first part we have studied about electricity, that is electric current and static electricity. Now we have also done something about charge and how a body gets charged. Now to understand charge, we have to first understand what is exactly the property of charge. We have already known in class 6, class 7 and class 8 that like charges repel, unlike charges attract. Like charges repel, unlike charges attract. Now, what is exactly first to understand charge, then I'll come to this word like charges repel or attract. Now, what is charge? So far we have already known in other classes that if a body loses electron, it is positively charged. If a body acquires negative charge or electrons, we call it negatively charged. But that will work only in case of an extended body. That definition will hold true only for an extended body. Now to understand what is charge, like for example I take this particular pen. This pen is attracted to the moon. This pen is attracting the moon. This particular pen, which is very small, is attracting the moon. At the same time, this pen is attracted by Jupiter. This pen is attracting the moon, so he is producer. So he is producing something which is attracting the moon. At the same time, he is experiencing a force which is Jupiter is pulling it. So a charge is either a producer or an experiencer of a magnetic field. So a charge is either an experience or a producer of magnetic or electric field. I repeat again, this particular pen is attracting the moon. So he is the producer. So he is a creator. Same case, this pen is attracted by Jupiter. So Jupiter is acting on it. So he is experiencing. So either it experiences or produces. That is called charge. That is either it experiences or produces magnetic or electric field. So this is charge. Now to understand the property of charge, first we came that like charges repel, unlike charges attract. Now what are like charges? Negative, negative, positive, positive. Now if I want to test whether this body is charged or not, the best test would be I bring another body. If this body is attracted, that means this body is charged. But this will not give me correct information, because if this body was charged and it has attracted this one, it could happen this was positively charged, it was no charge at all. Therefore, unlike charges attract. Like and unlike attract. If I bring a charged body which is negatively charged and I bring another body which I don't know whether it's charged or not, if it is attract, again it is like and unlike charge attracting. But if I bring two objects and if these two objects repel, there is only one thing, that these two objects are having same type of charge. They are both negatively charged. Therefore, they are repelling. So that is the best way of testing for a charge. Now, next we come to this word, they are additive in nature. They are additive in nature. How are charges additive in nature? Let us try to understand. We have told that charge is either negative or positively charged. If it loses electron or if it accepts electron, it can happen only in case of an extended body, not of a point body. For example, if I say this is positively charged, I can blindly say yes, it has loosened electron or it has lost electron, therefore it is positively charged, because it is an extended body. Extended body are those bodies which has shape, size, mass and volume. But for the point body, the definition is not true. For example, if I say an atom, there is proton, there is electron. If I remove the electron, proton is positively charged. if I remove the electron, the proton is positively charged? No, even if I don't remove the electron, proton is positively charged, because proton has positive charge and it is the fundamental property of proton. It is the fundamental property of proton. It has positive charge. Whether I add electron or I remove electron, it is positively charged. So our definition of a body is positively charged if it loses electron, and if it accepts electron, it is negatively charged, holds true only for extended body, not for a point body, because this is the fundamental property of proton to have a positive charge, even if I remove electron or accept electron. Now let us try to understand in case of extended body. Suppose this is an extended body. I have removed one electron. I have removed one electron. Let us understand electron is negative. That is a fundamental property. Negative. Negative means we try to understand bad. We understand it bad. So anything that bad has gone out, this will be what? Good. No, it has lost the bad property. That doesn't mean it is good. It has lost the bad property. How much it has lost? One bad property it has lost. So a deficit of one bad point or bad thing. Now what is this? That means it is plus E. It has lost one bad point, therefore it is plus 1E. Now if this is returned back, plus minus will be 0. That means before the bad point has gone out of the body was 0. Once it has left one bad point, it was plus E. Once it has come back again, plus minus 0, the body is again 0. Now once we say minus E, let us talk about minus is negative. How much of naughtiness, how much of badness is it? It is 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 19C. This is the amount of badness. Bad is bad, negative is bad. How much of negative is bad? This much of negative. So now this can be taken as additive. Now how will we take it additive? Suppose you remove one electron, or suppose you take it, for example, 5 coulombs you have taken out and you have given 5 coulomb. You have removed 5 coulomb and you have given 5 coulomb. What is the charge now? 0. Now suppose 3 coulomb has gone out, 2 coulomb has come in, 1 coulomb come in, 7 coulomb gone out. Now how will you count the charge? You can simply do the system of additive. What is additive in nature? Plus 5, how much is gone? Minus 3, how much has gone? Minus 7, how much has come in? Plus 2, how much has gone in? Minus 3. This way you can count it. Therefore it is called, they are additive in nature. So charges are additive in nature. Now next we'll come to the very important point, which is most important. This is easy, additive in nature. We can add whatever we got and whatever is minus. Charges are quantized. Now to understand what is quantized. Suppose we take an extended body, and as I told, I remove one electron. How much is it? One electron is negative quality. We understand electron has a negative property of 1.69 into 10 to the power 19 minus 19C. Suppose I stop telling 1.69 10 to the power. If I say 1E, I tell it E, removal of negative E. The value is negative. E is how much? This much is the charge. If 1E has gone, how much is inside? Plus E. If there is 2E, there is plus 2E. If there is 3E, it is plus 3E. and it goes on. This can be quantized. So when we say their charges are quantized, we can quantize. For example, if we take this object, one electron gone, how much is it? 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 19 C. 2 gone, 3 gone, all will be multiple. If it is 2, 2 into 1.69, 3 it is 3 into 1.69. If it is 1000, 1000 into 1.69. So what is inside? First, for first case it was 1E, second for 2E, third was for 1000E. If you bring back this, what is gone, result will be 0. So it can be quantized. Now let us come to the point. When I write E, it is understood, minus C, it is 1.69 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now, it is told that either quantum is, either quantized means either it will be 1.69 or twice of 1.69 or thrice of 1.69. Now, if you want to charge this body, how much of electrons will I have to remove? Minimum, it is 1 electron. That means the minimum charge that I can remove from an extended body is 1.69 10 to the power minus 19 C. Minus. The value minus gives me the negativity. How much can I remove? Minimum 1.69. If I remove 2 into 1.69. If it is 3 into 6. If it is 1000, 1000. So, number of I am removing, it is either 1.69 or multiple of 1.69. Either the object itself, that is E, or multiple of E. Same case was here, plus E, plus 2E, plus 3E or plus 100E. That means we can say Q charge that can be removed from a body is E. How much of charge can I, how much of electrons will I have to make a body charge? It is E or multiple of E or multiple of E. The minimum charge that I can remove from a body to make it positive charge is either E or multiple of E. Next is, this is in case of positively charged. Same case can be of negative charge also. Now, if one negative E has gone inside. Now there was somebody who was producing positive in the universe, we are not concerned about. But one E has gone inside. Next is 2E, then 3E, then 1000E. That means how much of E can I put inside? Minus E. 1 or multiple of minus E. So I can say minus N into E. Minus N into E if I want to make a body negatively charged. Now, so if you sum up this one, Q, that is the charge, is equals to plus minus N into E. This is the formula for charge. Charge can be quantized, N into E. N is the number of electrons gone out or number of electrons come in. And this will be either one electron or multiple of it. That is we call quantize. Now to understand more about this quantize, let us simply understand one thing. Suppose we are having a function. We are having a function and this particular hotel is very good in producing a variety of rasgulla, and people are crazy to get rasgullas from this particular hotel. People are buying 1 kg, somebody is buying 10 kg, somebody is buying 35 kg, some are buying 2 kg. Then suddenly you go and ask in this hotel, can you give me 100 grams of rasgulla? though it is not impossible, but those who are selling 1 kg, 10 kg, 35, 100, 200 kilos, for them suddenly to come and give 100 gram is very, very difficult. So the owner of this particular hotel gets annoyed and he says, no, something has to come out to fix this problem. So how does he fix the problem? Next year what he did, he took 1 kg of rasgulla as a fix. If you want to buy sweets from my hotel, minimum you will get 1 or multiples of 1. That means 1 kg into 2, 1 kg into 3. If you want 1000 kg, yes, 1000 packets you take it. But if I go and ask him half kg, sorry, we can't give it. So it is quantized. The hotel has quantized the quantity. The minimum that you can buy from this hotel is how much? 1 kg. Same case when we talk about in an object, extended object, minimum charge that you can remove is how much? 1e. Now suppose this you may say this is an integer 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it is not like integer. For example, if I say this hotel was doing very good business with 1 kg fix and everybody were bound to buy 1 kg. Another person nearby, he opens up a hotel and he said, no, I will not take 1 kg as fixed. I will take 1.5 kg as fixed. So the minimum you can buy from this hotel is how much? 1.5. Now, if you ask in this hotel, I want to buy 2 kg. Sorry, we can't give. How much we can give? 1.5. 3 kg is possible. Take 2 packets of 1.5. 6 kg, fine. You take 4 packets of 1.5. 7.5 kg, possible. But you ask him, half kg, sorry, we don't. So this has been quantized. This hotel has quantized rasgulla as 1.5 kg minimum and this hotel has quantized 1 kg as minimum. So the question is not 1.5 kg or 1 kg, the term quantized. So it is not the integer 1.5 or 1 kg. It is the concept of quantization. That means the electrons, the charge can be quantized. It can be quantized into itself or the product of itself, either 1 kg or product of 1 kg, either 1.5 kg or product of 1.5 kg. Same case, either 1 electron you can remove or multiples of 1, 2, 3, 4,000. You can give electrons 1, 2, 3, 4. That way, this is quantization. So charge is quantized.